they try to make you feel like pain on me. But you know, like I know that trouble will never last. Yeah. So hold your head up high. God is on your side. And he loves you and he cares. He's so faithful.
Hey Gems, it's Tayshawn Miller, and let's just jump right into the video, honey. So originally I was not gonna record, child. I'm gonna be honest. I'm just getting out the hospital. I'm sleepy / a little bit of high off of medication currently, and I have to go back to the hospital tomorrow. So for those of you who do follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I've been trying to let my hairstyle stay a little bit longer, and that's because I'm just not feeling my best to keep changing my hairstyle as I normally do. So I wanted some twists, and I actually wanted the twist that they call the bomb twist. However, after doing some research, I found out that the hair is only available online. And let me tell you something, your girl don't order anything offline. I'm just terrified of doing that. You know, I'm a victim of fraud, so I'm really careful with even giving somebody my name. Like, I don't play that. So what I did was I did some searching and came up with nothing. Absolutely nothing. So I couldn't find it here. And please excuse me if you see my eyes keep rolling. Like, I am literally so out of it right now on medication that it's not even funny. So I barely can keep my eyes open. But I need to finish my hair because I have clients that still need their hair done. And I gotta pick up my daughter from school. So my hair has to be done, you know? So anyways, yeah, I'm so sleepy. It ain't even funny, y'all. What was I saying? Oh, the hair. Yeah. So I literally like got in my car and drove from hair store to hair store to hair store until I found some type of hair that I liked. I literally, how you know how they take like a pack of the hair and to put it there for you to use it. I literally was like twisting all the hairs to see which hair looked the best. And this one was the absolute best that I like as far as the twist came out. They came out really, really springy. So let me show you the hair that I'm using. Natural Afro Kinky by Realistic. It's in a 24-inch. Let me take it out the pack so you can see it a little bit better because it is white. And I do have two colors, although they look the absolute same. I have a M1 BBG, which is supposed to be a black with burgundy, and then I have a L99J, which looks like black with burgundy. They look the absolute same. So here's what the hair looks like. And it comes, I brought 4 packs. So this is my last one, which it's not really even a whole pack because I've been using some out of it. But this is how the hair comes. So for those of you who know, this says 24-inch, but the shrinkage is definitely real. It comes with rubber bands. You have to take those rubber bands off. Now, they say this is 24-inch. I don't know what type of ruler they using or what, but yeah, this is supposed to be a 24-inch. I mean, and this is with pull. This is with stretch. Like, there's no way. So, now that I stretched it, I might as well go ahead and show you what I've been doing to get them to be this long. So, I'm going to tear off a small piece, which will be this. And I'm telling you guys this now because I'm not talking during the video. So this is going to be one piece, and you see how thin this pretty much is, because a lot of you guys complain about, you ain't show, and you ain't show this, how you, y'all quit whining, because I know other people that do videos, and you know what I'm saying, like, they speed, like Speedy Gonzalez, don't answer their comments, don't do nothing, don't get back with nothing. At least I try to explain during my video. And, you know, you're going to have people that complain about everything. You have people complain when I talk. You're going to have people complain when I don't talk. I can't make nobody happy. So guess what? I ain't finna try to make nobody happy no more. I'm just going to do me. Okay, so this is the part that I'm going to actually make the twist. The reason why I have a fat piece and a skinny piece is because this I am going to use to extend the hair so that I can get it to the length where it's at. Because otherwise, they literally will stop like right up in here somewhere. And I do not want no mop top twist style. Okay, so I'm getting ready to start. Okay, any questions before I start? I cannot hear you. Any questions? Okay, since nobody has any questions, I'm gonna go ahead and start. Oh wait, before I start, I want to show y'all what I'm using. Of course, I'm using my growth oil to grease my hair. I am using my Elasta QP This is like a what is this called? This is like an edge control, but I use it when I'm doing like twists and plaits and stuff like that. Braids, I use this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you now the piece that I'm getting ready to do. Okay, so, and then I usually put a little bit towards the end of it. Is that a big enough piece? Yeah. And I'm not doing them small either because I don't want to sit here all day. So far, I mean, I'm almost done. Literally, I only have this part right here. And this took 5 hours, you know, with me stopping and stuff like that. Also, occasionally, you may see me take some of this. This is nothing but spray regular water. And I put a little bit of my oil in it. You may see me certain pieces like so do that, mist the hair. No particular reason is other than because some pieces seem to be a little bit more coily than others, so I kind of want to relax it. Also, one more thing before I let y'all go. Before I let you go. Now let me stop playing. But for real, before I let y'all go, well, before I go, I wanted to say that the hand over hand method is what I'm using to get these coily twists to look so springy like this. It's the hand over hand. You'll see I'll try to do a slow down portion so that you guys can see. One more thing, you need a clip. That's what you see me looking for, this. You'll see why when I start, because you need to put the clip on the twist when you start, because if not, you're going to keep twisting, and you can eventually pop your hair out or break it, or I don't know, get split ends. Who knows what you can do, but I know it's not good to let it keep spinning. Plus, it hurt like crazy. All right, y'all.
Yeah. You gon' hear my cry today. Let the organ play. Let's take him to church. Yeah. If I fall on my head and I'm low on my bread, you gon' be there for me. If I'm hit with the leg and I'm laying for days, you gon' be there for me. Despite what they say, if I live on the edge, you gon' be there for me. Despite what they say, if I live on the edge, you gon' be there for me. Is you gon' be there for me? Is you gon' be there? I wanna know. Is you gon' be there for me? Is you gon' be there? Say I wanna know. Is you gon' be there for me? I wanna know. Despite what they said, if I lay on my head and I low on my bread, is you gon' be there for me? They told me I'm living a dream.
I'm living a dream.
Now I work every day and I'm living a dream.
Yeah, I'm living a dream.
They say it's too far-fetched and easy as it seems.
Liar.
Well, I'ma make 'em out of lie and tell my truth when I step in the booth and sip that juice. Father, forget them, but they not know not what they do.
They don't.
They got no faith, and they must not know that I got you. I sin every day. They wanted me perfect, just like you. I'm there for 'em all whenever I call. I wonder if they gon' come through.
If you to be honest, would you be there if I fell on my face? Yeah. If a bullet was shot, would you get in the way? Yeah. If you could not have your way every day, would you still be with me? Would you still be with me? I wanna know.
If I fall on my head and I'm low on my bread, you gon' be there for me. If I'm hit with the leg and I'm laying for days, you gon' be there for me. Despite what they say, if I live on the edge, you gon' be there for me. Despite what they say, if I live on the edge, you gon' be there for me. Is you gon' be there for me? Is you gon' be there? I wanna know. Is you gon' be there for me? Is you gon' be there? Say I wanna know. Is you gon' be there for me? I wanna know. Despite what they said, if I lay on my head and I low on my bread, is you gon' be there for me? They say they got goons. Well, I got gorillas. They pray every day, and they killers of killers.
Father, forgive them.
If you step in the cage, better know we get realer.
Banana.
If you caught me wrong, they coming to get you.
They come in and scream.
If I don't know nothing, I know that my God got some angels that's gon' be protecting me.
Amen. There's no need to worry, cause I know somebody that's interested in don't be happy. Amen.
Carry me out to my destiny.
Keeping me safe when I fall asleep.
Keeping me safe when I fall asleep.
Smile when I smile and we when I weep. Would you be honest? Would you be there if I fell on my face? Yeah. If a bullet was shot, would you get in the way? Yeah. If you could not have your way every day, Would you still be with me? Would you still be with me? I wanna know.
If I fall on my head and I'm low on my bread, you gon' be there for me. If I'm hit with the lead and I'm laying for dead, is you gon' be there for me? Despite what they say, if I live on the edge, is you gon' be there for me? Despite what they say, if I live on the edge, is you gon' be there for me? Is you gon' be there for me? Is you gon' be there? I wanna know. Is you gon' be there for me? Is you gon' be there? Say I wanna know. Is you gon' be there for me? I wanna know. Despite what they said, if I lay on my head and I'm low on my bread, is you gon' be there for me? Yeah. You gon' hear my cry today. Let the organ play. Let's take him to church. Yeah. If I fall on my head and I'm low on my bread, you gon' be there for me. If I'm hit with the lead and I'm laying for dead, is you gon' be there for me? Despite what they say, if I live on the edge, is you gon' be there for me? Despite what they say, if I live on the edge, is you gon' be there for me? Is you gon' be there for me? Is you gon' be there? I wanna know. Is you gon' be there for me? Is you gon' be there? Say I wanna know. Is you gon' be there for me? I wanna know. Despite what they said, if I